Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you for watching this video. First, I am fully telling for you. Namaste. Today we learn on the deep sea. Are in the two types. Master deep sea and the two types. First, success deep sea. The success deep sea. Failure deep sea. Failure deep sea. First discuss about failure deep sea. Failure deep sea. You can thinking always failure. Your life is always that's you happening in your life like negative only. When you thinking positive, your life a positive happen. Okay, life is a like a deep sea. When is a sea moving, when is a flowing on a water, life also flowing like a time is a flowing, don't come in time. First discuss about deep sea. Depression deep sea, you can go to see a deep sea. You can see a end point of the sea. No, anybody don't go to end point of deep sea. Why means you end point go first, you cannot live in the water in the deep sea. Okay, you can come to out, you can breathe at a time the live alive from your life. Don't copy with others. Okay, you cannot see end point from the deep sea. Okay, also depression also deep sea. Why you comparing a deep sea, when you thinking like coming thoughts are coming for your mind, always coming thoughts, don't stop thoughts. And deep sea also not stop thoughts, go stop, only moving to the, you cannot see the end point of the deep sea. Very expensive and explore in a high much of sadness in our don't know how much harmful effects are there. Why using harmful effects, when you are thinking negative, your mind always thinking negative, are are very effective from your brain is affected from your mind, always your body system also affect. Okay, why affect, you are always thinking negative. Okay, when you are thinking a negative in your daily life, all are coming from a negative only. Okay, when you are thinking always negative, but in your daily life also coming a negative thoughts and negative situations like. Okay, don't go depression. You go depression, when you go depression, you face many problems for you on your life. You going is, you come back to, when you were, when you come back to swimming on the water, but you cannot come back, you cannot swim. Sometimes you swim, but some members are saying for you, don't, not there from talent. At a time you go to a depression deep sea, will swim on the go from deep sea. Okay, when you rise sometimes, but some members are insulting you at, but that's why you go into deep sea. Don't think who are setting, who are telling for you, you not have so much talent. You have talent, but you cannot using talent. That's why some members are said tolling told. You don't think that member who had said, who are telling you have don't talent. When you become a talent, that person only tell, wow, you are a super, you are great. That like tell you. Don't think who are telling for you, you don't have talent. Please remove that one first. You have talent, but you cannot utilizing that talent. You, when you utilizing that talent, that member only tell, so we have, wow, you have a talent, but that person only said for you, sorry, I'm telling like this. Okay, why I'm said sorry, for you don't have talent, I'm telling. Okay, when your mind is a powerful, then in your brain is very powerful. Why I'm saying, please wait, I explain. When you are thinking, always thinking in your mind, don't relax, but your body has relaxed. That's why you are not do any work. When you are thinking body also will not accept that's one. When you are doing all, some member is there, is going to some work, is doing another work. First member, what do you know, he doing only one work. He is so much heavy, you go outside, do heavy much work. But one member is there in home, he don't do any work. Why? Is though members are, these two members are came home, is one person is their home, but another person come home. These two members are don't have any differences. Why? You know, who is thinking, that mind always thinking, will relaxing from, don't have relax, don't give rest from your mind, always do go outside, do any work. That much stress will happen in your mind. When you are relaxed, you will do a new energy from in your mind, you can get a success is not a who are achieving those, who are achieving those. Success is a, when you are peace, you have a success on your mind. First, focus. Second person, he went outside, do hard work, in came in evening afternoon. He he not he not he not decrease that person's who are go to outside that person energy. Why? You know, that person always thinking, I do work perfectly to get a high much of income. That one only. That's why that person are not relaxed. That's why who are thinking from positive, that person become a very, to form a new energy. Who are thinking negative, that persons to game very weak. Who are go to outside doing a work, that person double for you. This person who is thinking in home, that person thoughts. Okay, my dear friends, you have any doubt, please comment on my comment. Thinking always, don't think, you think always, your mind relax. That's why don't think any so much how big. Okay, my dear friends, when you are thinking a high much of your mind depression, when you go into your mind are very stressful pain on your mind, like a depression sea. Your sea always flowing, your mind thoughts also flowing. That's like, so don't think depression thoughts. Don't don't relax. We have you, if you have a relax, you go, you slowly thinking depression thoughts only. That's why please don't go depression thoughts. When you are relaxed, and when you are there in, you don't do any work. That's why coming it failure thoughts are depression thoughts. First one. Next point, who, when you are doing a work, we're starting point to be to think a, this one I not do like this, think your mind. That's why don't think that's like, when you thinking like this, it happen like that only. Don't think. First, you what did you do, that's one only do. Okay, next, success is a deep sea. When you are going to success deep sea, to swimming on the success deep sea, to achieve a lot of in your life. What's that one? Okay, when you come to success, you get achieve in our life lot of things in your life. Okay, first one, you go to your goal, your, to achieve in our goal in your life, to get a success. But that is not a success, that is your gift. Why I am teaching like a gift? Let wait, you only know. When you go to a deep sea, like you get a that destiny. What is destiny? That is a land. You think like that land, that is a not land, that is a ఈజ్ ల్యాండ్ ద్వీపం అంటారు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ల్యాండ్. when you moving to island are coming but not a coming land, that is really your success also you're moving, that is not a destiny. Success is not a destiny, success is a journey. When you moving, success is always coming for you. That is a island swimming deep sea. Okay, islands in a deep sea. Okay, when moving to another island, you are achieving in our life lot of goals like high positions in your what you doing your job. That is high positions like moving. That's why I'm telling success is not a destiny. Success is a journey. When you are moving to like a island, not seen a land. Thank you for watching this. You have interest, like and subscribe my channel. I do Telugu also. You have interest, please watch.